Okay guys, welcome to Play with Aiden. I'm gonna show you how to make some creamy and foamy slimes. So you need this store-bought slime, conditioner, and bowl. So pour the conditioner like that, and then put store-bought slime in here. And then get the slime and then mix like this. Oh, damn. My hands are messy. If it is very dry, your slime or your store-bought slime, keep putting conditioner. Oh. Just keep mixing until the slime is formed. Okay, if the slime has a little bit dry or the other slimes is a little bit glue, mixing it and it's gonna form. Okay, it's gonna almost form. Just keep going. Just keep going until it's forming. Okay, now it's almost formed. Now it's forming. Okay, the slime is done just like this. It's very creamy and foamy. No, I mean it's looks like texture of slime, but it's very pretty, no? See you.